Cell sorting is a critical step in many cell-based workflows, but today's instruments often make it harder than it should be. Scientists are forced to compromise on flexibility, sterility, and cell health when they really need all three. To solve these challenges, STEMCELL Technologies introduces the Highway1 cell sorting system, a next-generation gentle benchtop cell sorter that simplifies workflows while maintaining sterility and cell health. Powered by microchip-based vortex-actuated cell sorting technology, Highway1 uses a gentle approach. Cells are focused into a single file stream. When a target cell is detected, a thermal vapor bubble is generated, creating a precisely timed vortex that gently deflects the cell into the collection channel. Highway1 fits seamlessly into busy labs. No dedicated room or complex infrastructure is required, making high-performance sorting accessible for everyday use. Single-use cartridges with integrated microfluidic chips make sorting simpler, faster, and more consistent. Process up to 10,000 events per second in purity mode and up to 37,000 in enrichment mode. Highway1 software features built-in machine vision that monitors your sort in real time. It automatically clears debris and alerts users to errors, ensuring reliable, hands-off operation with minimal downtime. Discover how the Highway1 cell sorter enables next-generation cell sorting for every lab, without compromising speed, purity, or cell health. Visit stemcell.com/highway1 for more information.